Where? Okay.
Okay. Let's go to my locker.
Yay. Then my locker. No,
Yeah.
I would like to
Wait. It's next to mine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The door is big.
And heavy.
It's very heavy. Look at this. Okay.
Wait. Okay. One thing.
This is my math class over there. And maybe Mr. Daisy is there?
Yeah, Mr. Daisy is there.
Yeah. That would be so fun.
And Papa, Selena.
Oh, is Mr. Daisy here? No.
No.
Okay. Let's come here later.
Yeah.
We're making a CHS tour.
Okay.
Okay.
So ready? Go to this place. So go to.
Cheryl, your hair looks fine. You don't. You're like. Okay.